Alright, number 17. Suppose Mr. Feeney achieves his dream of opening his own art studio specializing in selling mud statues. He pays $10 in fixed costs for equipment and pays $9 per day to each of his workers who make the mud statues. He knows that the mud statues industry is perfectly competitive with a current market price of $1. That is $1 per mud statue. The table shows his production function. How many statues should he produce? Okay, so this is actually just going back to basics with calculating out marginal costs of workers. And so right here you have 15. So the first worker produces 10, the second worker produces 15, the third worker produces 10, the fourth worker produces 8, and the last worker produces 5. The short version is that because they each sell for $1, that means that the first worker produces $10 of value, the second worker 15, the third worker 10, and the fourth worker 8. But you have to pay them $9, so the answer is then 10. They have to produce $10 of value, so it is 3 workers or 35 output.